Ensure the bottom of the aperture is level, using packers where necessary. If packers have been used, silicone them to the brickwork or floor. Run a bead of silicone along the bottom to ensure that when the sill is placed, it is firmly sealed. Lift the door into the aperture. Use air wedges to hold the door in position. Open the door and ensure the door frame is plumb. Mark out your fixing points. No fixing should be closer than 150 mm to any internal corner joint. Intermediate fixings should be at centres no greater than 600 mm. Ensure the frame is plumb. Starting at the bottom, drill your fixing point, then fix the bottom. Use your level to ensure the frame is upright and plumb. Then drill your fixing point and fix the top. Ensure the opposite side is plumb. Starting at the bottom, drill your fixing point, then fix the bottom. Check the frame is plumb, then drill the top fixing point, then fix the top. Continue to check the frame is plumb, then proceed to drilling the rest of your fixing points. Then add the fixings. Always making sure the door frame is plumbed correctly. Remove the air wedges. Remove the foam holding the beads and place the beads in a reachable position. Always set beads out so it is obvious where they are to be reinstalled. Use the packers provided to toe and heel the sashes accordingly. Lift your glass or aluminium panel into position and use an installation paddle to lever the glass or panel down. This will enable packers to be inserted. Always make sure the glass is packed tight and toed and heeled diagonally. Insert the bead into its position. With your opposite hand to the mallet, apply pressure into the direction it is going. Tap the shoulder of the bead whilst applying pressure to locate it into position. Then gradually work your way along. If you need to adjust the door sash vertically, remove the top cap, then use a 4mm Allen key and rotate clockwise. For more compression on the gaskets, use a 4mm Allen key and rotate clockwise as shown. Finally, clean down the glass or designer panel and frame.